Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Agriculture and GK, and today we are going to watch model question paper for Rural Agriculture Extension Officer or RAEO. Friends, this is our WhatsApp group premium. If you are joined this group, we will send you the best study material for your any competitive exam preparation, and you will get PDF to all your YouTube videos, and you will get all answers to your doubts. Please join this WhatsApp group premium. So, today's topic is agricultural plant breeding and genetics. Question first is, who among the following rediscovered Mendel's law of genetics? Options are D. Varis, Karl Cornens or Tussermark. Answer is all of the above. Question 2. For genetical units, Mendel used the word and Cornens called them as. Answer is Mendel used the word element and Cornens called it factors. Question third. Altman referred to the mitochondria as. Answer is A. Bioplast. Question 5. The genetic code triplet is in nature is degenerated. Question 5. A triplet genetic code was first suggested by which scientist? Answer is by Gamow. Question 6. Watson and Crick 1953 explained double helical structure of DNA with the help of which technique? Answer is X-ray diffraction. Question number 7. In a double helical DNA molecule, the two helical have a distance of. Answer is C, which is 34 angstrom. Question 8. Temin and Baltimore 1975 discovered reverse transcription in which virus? Answer is Rose sarcoma virus. Question 9. Euchromatin region of chromosomes is considered genetically active because is this reason? Transcription of RNA from DNA take places. Next question number 10. Diploid number of chromosomes is Ophioglossum is. Answer is 1262. Question 11. In Mendel's trihybrid experiment, F2 phenotypic ratio was. Answer is 27:9:9:9:3:3:3:1. Question 12. A type of dominance relation in which phenotype of heterozygote is more extreme than that of either homozygous parent. This quality is known as overt dominance. Question 13. Question is to which one is the test cross? Answer is capital T small t cross with small t small t. Which one is the test cross? Because in this cross we use recessive parents. The term crossing over was first introduced by Morgan and Castell in 1912. Question 15. According to C.B. Bridges 1925, if the sex index value is in Drosophila is 0.5 or less than the offspring will be. Answer is progeny is male. Question 16. Genes that are carried on the same chromosome are called as linked genes or linkage is present between them. Question 17. When the duplicate gene sequence is attached to other position owing to interchromosomal duplication, then it is known as. Answer is transposed duplication. Next question. Mutation which occurs during DNA replication is called. Answer is Coffee error mutation. Question 19. The gene present in breed wheat is supposed to have been derived from. Answer is Agelopsis scorosa. Question 20. Split genes are found in. Answer is in eukaryotic organisms. Next question 21. Who discovered split genes? Answer is P. Sharp or Roberts. Question 22. Rate of mutation in nature is approx. Answer is 1 into 10 raised to the power minus 5. Question 23. Artificial synthesis of mRNA was done by scientist H.G. Khurana or Hargobind Khurana. Question 24. Role of single-stranded binding SSB protein in DNA replication is, answer is stabilization unwounded DNA. Question 25. Cloverleaf model of tRNA was proposed by scientist Robert Holly. Question 26. In DNA replication, the Okazaki fragments on the lagging strand are joined together by, answer is by DNA ligase. Question 27. According to Melson and Stoll experiment of DNA replication, DNA molecules are centrifuged in CSCl density gradient. They separate on the basis of, answer, mass number, volume and density based. Question 28. In meiosis, chromosomes are reduplicated during, answer is in interphase. Question 29. After a mRNA has been translated and leaves the ribosome or polysome, it is a, answer is degraded. Question 30. In mitosis, just after duplication, the two sister chromatids remain attached at, answer is at centromere. Question. If at the end of meiosis, the 4 daughter cells have 4 chromosomes, how many chromosomes were in a mother cells? Which is 2 chromosomes. Next question. Human blood groups A, B, AB and O are example of, answer is multiple allelism. Question 33. A potential danger to population that has been greatly reduced in number is the loss of genetic variability. Next question 34. Variation arises by gene mutation, recombination or chromosomal mutation. Answer is all of the above. Next question 35. The ability of an organism to survive and reproduce in its environment is termed as, answer is C, which is fitness. Next question 36. Prolonged inbreeding can lead to, answer is reduced fertility. Next question. An allopolyploidy can reproduce with individuals from, answer is from neither paternal or maternal population. Next question, which is 38. The LAG-Z gene in leg operon code for, answer is galactosidase. Question 39. In TRP operon or TRPB and TRPA genes codes for, answer is for tryptophan synthase. Question 40. The DNA repair system found to be most active are SOS, reactivation and excision, all of the above. Question 41. The generation of nuclear mRNA from precursor RNA requires the activity of, answer is A, which is spliceosome. Question 42. Plasmid which may integrated into the bacterial chromosomes are known as, answer is episomes. Next question 43. Heritable change in gene expression that does not involve change in underlying DNA term as, answer is epigenetics. Option number B. Question 44. In sickle cell syndrome, the amino acid substitute is, answer is glutamic acid by substitute by valine in beta chain. Question 45. Which of the following is a recessive trait in garden pea? Answer is, options are round cyst, tall stem, wrinkled seed, colored seed coat. Answer is C, which is wrinkled seed. Question 46. Which country was first to begin commercial use of transgenic tomato and tobacco? Which is, answer B, answer C, China. Question 47. In India, Inter-Ministerial Committee to decide commercial use of GMO5 is, answer is GESC. Question 48. The first genome sequenced was, answer is Halophilus influenz. Question 49. The genetic exchange between different evolutionary linkage is referred to as, answer is horizontal gene transfer and lateral gene transfer both. Question 50. Most comprehensive database for SNP5 is, answer is ASGBase. Question 51. Gene density in human genome is approx 1 gene per 100 kb. Question 52. Process that identifies gene, their regulatory sequence and their functions is termed as, answer is annotation. Question 53. The printed oligonucleotide chips are produced by, answer is by photolithography. Which of the following is an in vivo system to study protein interactions? Answer is yeast to hybrid system. Question 55. Which of the following is not a protein sequence database? Answer is D. BEAST. Question 56. The method of developing multilines in wheat was first outlined by, answer is by Borlaug in 1953. Germplasm collection maintained in India as at NBPCR New Delhi, CPRI Simla, CRRI Cuttack. Answer is all of the above. Question 58. Who made the first artificial interspecific plant hybrid? Answer is T. Fairchild. Next question 59. Germplasm collections are done largely from an area where agriculture is not in practice, advanced, still primitive. None of this. Answer is still primitive. Question 60. Combining desirable character in one plant and then multiplying it is called as, answer is crop improvement. Question 61. The oldest method of plant breeding is, answer is selection. Question 62. Method of selection in plants showing vegetative propagation is, answer is clonal selection. Question 63. The best way to obtain bacteria and virus free plant through tissue culture is, method is micropropagation. Question 64. The hybrid progeny of cytoplasmic male sterile plants would be, answer is B, which is male sterile. Question 65. The process involving inspection, fumigation and growing the introduced plant material in isolation is known as, answer is B, which is quarantine. Question 66. If the introduction of any wild species or land cultivation is done for developing genetically improved variety by selection or cross hybridization, it is referred as, answer is secondary introduction. Question 67. Which one of the following varieties of wheat was selected from one of the variety of Simit, Mexico? Answer is Kalyan Sona. Question 68. Which of the following wheats have been introduced in India from other countries along with plant material? Answer is Orchimon mexicana, Arsonia crassipus, Parthenium, all of the above. Question 69. Pure line selection is also known as inbreed selection, progeny selection, single line selection. Answer is all of the above. Question 70. Mutation frequency during plant breeding depends on, answer is dose, concentration into time, temperature, pH value. Answer is all of the above. Question 71. Induction of polyploidy in potato is achieved by treating with, answer is colchicine. Question 72. Kurfi Alankar, Kurfi Chamatkar up to date are important varieties of, answer is C, which is variety of potatoes. Question 73. Which of the following is not a fusarium wilt resistance variety of chickpea? Answer is C, which is Gaurav. Question 74. Quantitative traits locus QTL. So answer is none of these. Next question 75. That would be the colors of hulls of wheat Plants heterozygous for all three hull color. Loci, answer is medium red. Question 76. Dominance can easily confused with our dominance if QTL5 are involved. Question 77. When two or more events occur simultaneously, they are called as independent events, simple events, compound events, or all of the above. Correct answer is compound events. When the probability is calculated on the basis of reasoning even before any trial or experiment, it known as, answer is a priori probability. Question 79. PBR 322 is an example of, answer is C, which is plasmid vector. Question 80. Which pair is a right? We have to choose right pair. Answer is relaxed replication, multi-copy plasmid and relaxed replication. Question 81. TET, KAN are example of, answer is which is an example of marker genes. Question 82. Cosmids are prepared by inserting of phage into a, answer is cos site or plasmid. Cosmids are prepared by inserting cos site of phage into a plasmid. Question 83. Isolation of B positive gene for beta-thurin genesis was done by, answer is by Borden et al. In 1987. Isozymes analysis of a hybrid verification employs, answer is starch gene and polyacrylamide gene both. Question 85. In haploid culture, chromosome duplication without nuclear division takes place. It known as, answer is second, which is endomitosis. Question 86. Immobilized cell system uses for cell immobilization, answer is calcium alginate and agarose beads both. Next question 87. Intron are absent in, answer is in gene storage genes of maize and soybean protein genes both. Question 88. Cryopreservation is the storage of material at ultra low temperature by very rapid cooling, gradual cooling and simultaneous dehydration at low temperature. Answer is all of the above. Question 89. Electrophoretic separation of DNA molecule several megabases in size achieved by DNA. Answer is PFGE. Question 90. Confirmation of DNA transformation in rDNA technology can be done with the help of, answer is technique Southern blotting. Question 91. Which of the following is a type 1 restriction endonuclease? Answer is E, Co-K and ECO-B both. Which of the following is a DNA modifying enzyme? Answer is kinase DNA polymerase alkaline phosphatase all. Next question. Cloning large piece of DNA can be achieved by, answer is by all of the above options. Question 94. Amplification buffer for PCR reaction contains, answer is KCl tris Cl 1.15 MgCl2 or all of the above. Answer is all of the above. Codominant marker not used in mass method of plant breeding is ASLP. Question 96. RFLP-QTL linkage relationship can be studied in self-pollination species and among inbreed lines in cross-pollination. Question 97. QTLS for root traits are being used to develop high-yielding drought resistant in, answer is rice and maize both. Next question. Gene silencing is caused by, answer is DNA methylation, co-separation, antisense RNA or all of the above. Answer is all of the above. Question 99. Genes confirming insect resistant to plant area is BT gene, IPT gene, PST gene are of the above. Question 100. Hepatitis B surface antigen has been expressed in tobacco to, answer is, induce immunity against HB5AG and HB5AG. Thank you so much guys. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe our channel